Hello everyone, I'm Miss Kajo, and today we're going to talk about prefixes. What are they? Prefixes are words that are added at the beginning of a root or main word. And when you add a prefix to a root or main word, it changes the meaning of that word. For example, the prefix re means again. So when you add it to a root word, here's an example of a root word, gain, which means to get or obtain something. So when you add re, the prefix, to gain, it changes the meaning of the word. So regain means to get or obtain something again. That means you had it, you lost it, and now you've got it again. Okay? Here are a list of common prefixes. You should be able to recognize the prefix and be able to identify the root or main word. So for example, we said means again. Here is another word, rediscover, to find something or someone again. You had it, you lost it, now you got it back again. Let's do another one. Means not. Here's an example. Unfinished. We know what the word finish means. You've completed something. But when you add the prefix un to that root or main word, it means something that is not completed or finished. Dis means opposite or not. So disappear. Something or someone who does not exist. That is, they were there once, they appeared, but now with the prefix dis in front of that word appear, they don't exist anymore. Over means too much. So if you see the word overworked, worked is the main or root word. It just means you're working too much. Pre means before, like we're talking about prefix, a word that is added to before the root or main word. So pre, before, fixed, fixed before. Under means below. Example, under or below the average weight. So under means below. So when you add it to a root word, you say below weight, means you're below the average weight. Let's do another 6 more. Miss means wrongly. So if you misunderstood, the root word is understood, the meaning now changes. It means to understand something wrongly or incorrectly. You didn't understand. Post means after. I bet you haven't heard this word before, and if you have, good for you. Post-mortem. It means to examine a dead body to find out the cause of death. You can't perform a post-mortem on a live person. It has to be after they are dead. Okay, so post means after. Sub means under. Could be sub-zero is below zero. Semi. Semi means half. So if your math teacher says, draw a semicircle, you're going to draw just half a circle. Tri means 3. Doesn't matter. 3. Triangle are lines with 3 sides. It could also mean a situation that involves 3 people. And finally, anti means against. So if you see the word anti-government, we know what a government is, but if it's anti-government, it means it's against the government. Okay, so as you work through the two examples of prefixes, keep that in mind, and it will actually also be posted so that you don't forget. All right, do well on your test.